my name is Lisa and I'm here at the Finlayson Field Center, and today I want to show you how to make a simple bird feeder with just a few ordinary items. Next, we'll get ready to make our feeder. Today I'm going to use niger seed, which is specifically for the birds. It's not for human consumption, and we want to make sure that we're only using seed that is directly for birds. We don't want to give them people food, such as sunflowers that are seasoned or salted or have flavors. We want specifically food that is meant for the birds. Many people wind up giving birds bread, and it's really bad for their stomachs as they don't have the enzymes that can break down the yeast. Feeding birds bread also makes them dependent on our people food, which is not great. It also increases the chances of algae in our water system. So today we're going to use bird seed that you can find at bulk food stores or grocery stores. This is niger seed, and again, it is specifically for our fine feathered friends. Try saying that a whole bunch of times. So I'm going to pour some seed into my container here. And then I'm going to put on my gloves because this next part, we're gonna get mucky. You don't have to use gloves, but I'm going to, just so that I can contain some of the mess. Now I've got my gloves on, and what I'm going to do is take some shortening and put it all over the toilet paper tube. Now I have an icing spreader or a butter knife, but you can also just dive right in with your hands. I'm going to use the icing spreader in hopes not to make too much of a mess. Now I'm using shortening, not lard, and this is made from all vegetable products, no animal byproducts in this, which is better for the birds. With the bird seed, I'm going to just roll the tube all the way around so it gets nicely covered, pushing down very gently as we go. And I'm even going to sprinkle a little bit of extra just with my hands to make sure we've got it all on there. Next, I'm going to take off my gloves. There will be a cleanup of my workspace here after I'm done. Then I'm going to take some string. I want enough to go through the tube twice so that it's nice and strong, and then I'm going to cut that. Once I have my string cut, I'm going to simply put it through the toilet paper tube. And I'm going to have a loop on one end so that I can bring the string through just like that. Then I'm going to tie a knot right near the top. So that I have something to hang it on the tree with, right there, like that. Now we're all set to bring this outside and see if any of our fine feathered friends will enjoy a little snack. We've got a tree with a couple of feeders out already with black oil sunflower seeds. We're going to hang this from a branch so the chickadees and the other birds have somewhere to land in between gathering their seed. You can also try feeding the chickadees with black oil sunflower seeds. Put the seeds directly on your hand, hold your hand flat, and wait as the chickadees decide to trust you and gently land on your hand to try and grab a seed.